Hi everyone, welcome to this another episode of Love Thy RCs. And today I've got a passage for you that talks about preserving a species of birds or animals, kuch aisa, wild species getting extinct aisa. First, the gospel, it stays the same. So main idea, you have to learn how to tackle it, how to identify the main idea, how to map the passage, that is how to connect the different paragraphs, how to locate the important zones where questions can be set, and then pin the types of questions. Questions देखते ही आपको समझ में आना चाहिए किस बारे में है, क्या पूछ रहा है, and then the elimination techniques. This is the topic conservation success and symbolism. Means अगर आप कंजर्व कर रहे हैं कोई स्पीसीज को या पेड़ को या नेचर को या कोई चीज को, व्हाट इज द सिंबॉलिज्म एसोसिएटेड विद इट, देखेंगे अभी. एनवायरनमेंट एंड कंजर्वेशन, दैट इज द जॉनर, एंड लेवल ऑफ डिफिकल्टी स्टेज द सेम, दैट्स मॉडरेट. दिस इज योर पैसेज देखने में बड़ा आपको लगेगा, 2 and 3, 5 paragraphs. The first 2 paragraphs are pretty long, but then no need to get intimidated by it. So at one glance, what do I feel? The contemporary era began in 1902, enactment of federal legislation, prohibit wild animals ka commerce, prohibit conservation, okay, 1902, legislation, laws in place, yani. Second para, first line says, enactment of the Threatened Species Act, bicentennial eagle was classified, okay. ठीक है, most of the lower 46 provinces and threatened. Golden eagle की बात कर रहा है. There's no escaping us, however, goldens and human beings face the same challenge. Some challenge. Then eagle success story, next para, first line. तो clear है कि यहाँ something to do with eagle and conservation and humans coexisting, कुछ ऐसा है. Questions कैसे दिख रहे हैं उसके बाद जाके मैं पढ़ूंगी passage. In para 2, wow, specific para question is always something that makes me happy. Okay, para 2, the phrase ye, simple language में बोले तो what can you infer from this phrase in para 2? Not simple. Question 2, which of the following best describes the central idea, the main idea? Yahoo, my favorite question. The author explains the case of golden eagles. क्यों लिया है उसने वो example golden eagles का, ये पढ़ते ही मुझे समझ में आ गया that passage का मुद्दा कुछ बड़ा कुछ और है, उसने केस लिया है कोई golden eagles का to explain a bigger point. All of the following are true except, तो ये हमारा TTTF वाला है, इसमें मैं लिख लूंगी TTTF. Done. Now I go back to the passage. चलिए साथ में पढ़ते हैं, देखते हैं इसको कैसे हैंडल करेंगे. Contemporary era began in 1902. This is the 20th century. With the enactment of this, prohibit, okay. More comprehensive legislation followed. अच्छा, law legislation आया, okay. Urging, okay. Most influential was what? This. Dominated by sportsmen, shared its namesake's indifference. अच्छा, the group opposed protection for years, refusing even to condemn this until it yielded to this. The symbolism, okay. Now, let me help you. After the first para, if you zip zap zoom to the next paragraph without bothering to understand the first para and the main idea completely, it's going to blow up in your face. So pause after the first para. Try to understand. यहाँ इसने क्या बोला है? I'll help you see it clearly. Contemporary era began हुआ, मतलब begin हुआ. It began with the enactment of law something. Okay. More comprehensive legislation, growing movement, बहुत सारे preservation groups या जो भी. हुआ क्या? Most influential was what? National Association of Wildlife Societies. Okay. Though Rodriguez points out, दो word है, कुछ तो change of tone है. Okay, that its leadership dominated by sportsmen. Maybe they were into gaming birds, तभी उनको sportsmen बोला गया inverted में, slightly sarcastic. Okay, shared its namesake's indifference toward the golden eagle. Namesake शायद कोई और बॉडी भी था, कोई और ग्रुप था. ओके, उनको भी इंडिफरेंस था टुवर्ड्स द गोल्डन ईगल, इनको भी था. शेयर्ड इट्स इंडिफरेंस. ओके, द ग्रुप अपोज प्रोटेक्शंस फॉर इयर्स. मान लो कुछ प्रिजर्वेशन ग्रुप्स थे एंड दे सेड कि हमको ना गोल्डन ईगल को प्रिजर्व करना चाहिए. दिस ग्रुप अपोज्ड इट. ये सेड क्यों क्यों, हम वाइल्ड लाइफ को तो कर रहे हैं. व्हाई प्रिजर्व द ईगल? ओके, व्हाई प्रोटेक्ट द ईगल? दे अपोज्ड, refusing even to condemn British Columbia's bounty on the species. ब्रिटिश कोलंबिया एक प्लेस क्या किया उसने, ब्रिटिश कोलंबिया ने इनाम लगाया, ये ईगल को मारो, मार के हमारे पास लाओ, इनाम मिलेगा. अरे why are you doing this? Why are you kind of gaming this bird? Let's protect the eagle. No, they refused to listen. Okay, until it yielded to patriotic appeals. That is where your main idea starts. इनको ऐसे समझ में नहीं आया. जब पेट्रियोटिक अपील्स आए दैट ईगल इज योर नेशनल बर्ड, क्यों मार रहे हो उसको, बहुत बड़ा पाप है, झंडा जलाओगे अगर तो जितना बड़ा पाप होगा उतना ही बड़ा पाप है ईगल को मारना. क्यों? क्योंकि वो तुम्हारा नेशनल बर्ड है. दैट इज व्हाट इट सेज. सो दैट इज द सिंबोलिज्म. पेट्रियोटिक अपील्स इन 1932. मान गया फाइनली ये ग्रुप जब उसको पेट्रियोटिज्म वाला ये दिखाया गया. The symbolism that had threatened to doom the bird, मतलब उसको नेशनल बर्ड बनाया गया है तो वो सिंबॉलिकली स्ट्रॉन्ग बर्ड है, उस बर्ड से वो बर्बाद होता, थ्रेटेंड. ओके, टू डूम द बर्ड, सेव्ड इट अल्टीमेटली, उसी वजह से बचा वो. Activists learned that citizens who cared little for non-human life could be persuaded that the indiscriminate slaughter of national symbol was as offensive as burning the flag. Question connected. Simple. क्वेश्चन कनेक्टेड है तो दैट सेज लाइक यू नो, क्यों क्यों जला रहे हो, मतलब क्यों मार रहे हो. जितना बड़ा पाप है नेशनल फ्लैग जलाना, जितना अनपेट्रियोटिक है वो जलाना, उतना ही अनपेट्रियोटिक है ईगल को मारना, बिकॉज इट्स योर नेशनल बर्ड. डन. आफ्टर दैट आई कैन पुट माई कार इन द सेकेंड गियर, थर्ड गियर एंड जूम. क्या कह रहा है उसके बाद? द सेकेंड पैरा टॉक्स कंप्लीटली अबाउट द ईगल एंड द डिटेल्स. Enactment of this, okay, bicentennial, endangered, most of this, threatened in the rest. कहाँ कहाँ endangered हुआ, कहाँ threatened था, species once plentiful, कुछ नहीं पढ़ना है मुझे ये सब. Intervention reintroduce, okay, researchers drove, okay, incubators, the steps that they took, the actions that were done in order to bring it back, in order to revive the golden eagle. हो गया. ये देख लो आप, लास्ट तक भी फैक्ट्स. क्रोकोडाइल ओके, ओवरसाइज ओके, फाइन. देन द नेक्स्ट पैरा, देयर इज नो एस्केपिंग अस हाउएवर. अल्टीमेटली गोल्डन्स एंड ह्यूमन बीइंग्स फेस द सेम चैलेंज. हमसे कहां बच के जाएगा? हाउ टू कोएग्जिस्ट पीसफुली. आई रिमेंबर देयर वाज अ कैट पैसेज दैट टॉक्ड अबाउट elephants and humans coexisting. But elephants are becoming more and more hostile towards humans because of humans' deliberate attempt to kill elephants. Okay, so how to coexist peacefully? Eagles have been more adaptable, made a far greater effort to save them. Acha, we have made a far greater effort to save them than we have बाकी किसी को. In recent years, golden ये सब skim कर लो. Colombian port, okay, government began to reconsider population management of the eagles वगैरह और humans का जो भी. Okay, नहीं, our stewardship of the species, eagles का population management. The lesson Rodriguez draws, ये interesting है, ये important है. From the golden eagle success story is what? हमारा nature ऐसा है, it is predisposed to virtue. Virtue, vice. हमें बोलोगे ये पाप है या ये अच्छा काम है तो हम तब सुनेंगे. जब तक आप रिलीजन या पेट्रियोटिज्म या ये सब नहीं लगाओगे तब तक ह्यूमंस हम सुनते नहीं. ओके, द वेट ऑफ द हिस्टोरिकल रिकॉर्ड वुड सीम टू सजेस्ट अ प्रीडिस्पोजिशन टू रेकलेसनेस. ये बट लार्जर पॉइंट इज क्लियर, मोर स्पीसीज हैड बेटर बिकम दिस. सबको बनाओ, पेट्रियोटिक सिंबल बनाओ, तब जाकर के वो प्रिजर्व किए जाएंगे, वरना इंसान तो सुनने वाला नहीं है. I'd like to propose for consideration the western black rail, a mysterious this found in this. उसको बना दो आप किसी का, you know, ये close to extinction है, उसको consider करना है मुझे. okay, मतलब I'm suggesting उसको consider करो, ये बोला, distinguished by this, right? Propose for consideration. so, इसको ये extinct हो रहा है, इसको आप consider करो, इसको किसी तरह preserve करो. Done. Nice passage. First question. In para 2, the phrase this was as distasteful. Let's eliminate. Americans were burning? No, they were not burning. वो compare करके उनको बताया जा रहा था ये महापाप है, unpatriotic act है. Americans were disrespecting by burning it? No, they were not burning it. So it's between 2 and 4. Americans were destroying by killing golden eagles, destroying the national symbol by killing golden eagles. पर इसमें flag वाला point कहाँ आया, analogy कहाँ आई? So 4 is good. Killing golden eagles is equivalent to, same exact, equal नहीं बोला है, equivalent to, similar to. Simply इस sentence को rephrase करके दे दिया, that is a good inference according to Cat. हो गया, this is done. Question 2 describes the central idea. Central idea is related to eagle or overall there's a bigger picture. देखते हैं. Concern for the species that are endangered. Only concern, no action? नहीं, action लिया गया था बहुत. Methods to revive, I'll keep this. इसमें और इसमें difference यही है, ये सिर्फ concern है, ये methods है. Methods to revive, concern होगा तभी तो methods हुए ना. The success story of saving golden eagles from going extinct. I'll keep this. The challenge of coexistence, this is only one paragraph. बात की गई है कि अच्छा coexist भी करना है. These two. Now main idea is what? Main idea में आपका hero of the passage तो होना चाहिए. He is taking golden eagles का point, 2-3 paragraphs में उसको explain करके then he comes to the big picture कि similarly अगर हम patriotic दिखाएंगे तो औरों को भी हम preserve कर सकते हैं. But between these two, this is like too broad, vague हो सकता है ये. The methods to revive species that are endangered. कौन से species? यहाँ है the success story of saving golden eagles from going extinct. It is the success story. अलग अलग तरीकों से इन लोगों ने किया, चालाकी से किया, ठीक है. From going extinct, this is good. Why not 2 if it is still there on your mind? Because this is too broad. The methods, fine. To revive species, भाई कुछ तो specify करो ना, right? So golden eagle is an example. That's a case that has been taken up, but पूरे passage में उसको discuss किया है. So main idea should be connected. इतना हम ignore नहीं कर सकते हैं golden eagle को. All right. Question 3. Author explains the case of golden eagles in order to prove his point that virtue, humans are connected. I mean, humans respond to this element of virtue ऐसा. ठीक है. So, celebrate the success of saving an endangered species. Okay, I'll keep it. Explain how they were prioritized over other endangered species. Okay, I'll keep it. Explain the ignorance. Golden eagles, legislation and all bola hai, but ignorance of authorities. This is vague. Draw attention towards the coexistence. This is another like just one paragraph mein hai. This is not why he has brought in the example of golden eagles. Now between these two, celebrate the success of saving an endangered species. Just celebrate the success or how they were prioritized over other endangered species. Don't you think this connects with the main idea? They were prioritized because they were the national symbol, the national bird. और यहाँ पे एक वो sentence भी दिया है. How to coexist? Eagles have been more adaptable than many other species and we have made a far greater effort to save them. Texas this in recent years, okay, thriving habitats, blah, 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 blah. And यहाँ पे main idea ये जो है, national symbol, right? And then here he says, more species had better become patriotic symbols soon. So they were given the preference, right? So between these two, he's giving the case of golden eagles to explain how they were prioritized because of the symbolism thing. Yeah? So 2 is good as your answer. And the last one, all of the following statements are true according to the passage except the golden eagle was classified as endangered in most of the provinces. ये तो true दिया ही हुआ है, अभी हमने पढ़ा था जो पहले. More species need to become patriotic symbols. ये भी इसने दिया है last para में. First nesting Ontario in 90 years, ये आप देख लो, यहाँ पे clearly बना दे रखा है इसने Ontario का ये nesting eagle something 90 years. All right, so this is done. Okay, this is true. The western black rail is another patriotic symbol that needs to be conserved. No. Why? Because the western black rail is another endangered species that needs to be made the patriotic symbol in order to be conserved. You get the point? मतलब ये ऑप्शन कह रहा है इट इज अ पेट्रियोटिक सिंबल जिसको कंजर्व करो. नहीं नहीं, वो एक्सटिंक्ट हो रहा है, एंडेंजर्ड है, उसको पेट्रियोटिक बनाओ, वो बोला है उसने लास्ट पैरा में ना. So this is false, right? I hope all the explanations are clear, guys. Thank you so much. Keep learning. I'm going to see